Hello all, I'm Dr. Apoorva Gupta and I'm lecturing on soft tissue grafting around teeth and implants on 8th of May 2022 at Mumbai, Hotel Ramada Plaza. It's a one-day course on soft tissue grafting which is going to include lectures, clinical case presentations, hands-on by participant on gold jaws and a live demonstration. I will be discussing in detail different type of flaps, split thickness, full thickness, mini blades, instrumentation, suturing techniques, especially your periosteal suturing, which is going to be a very integral part of your bucco-gingival surgeries. I will be discussing root coverage techniques around teeth and management of peri-implant soft tissue defects. I will be also discussing palatal harvest technique like free gingival graft, connective tissue graft, the indications, the contraindications and the difference between two. Last but not the least, I will be discussing the alternatives and substitutes the autografts like fibroguide and mucograft. The participants are going to perform a very interesting exercise where they prepare a recipient bed and they hold the bed with the help of T periosteal sutures, and they will be asked to suture a free gingival graft harvested from palate and a mucograft suture on the recipient bed. I am very excited for the workshop and I look forward to seeing you all soon. Thank you.